Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Supreme Prep on 4 and Lorna Otto Prep on 5. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin with Face-Off 1. It's in the category of mathematics. It's between Jaden Willocks of Supreme Prep up against Trayvon West of Lorna Otto Prep. Trayvon, we begin with you. If A equals 7, B equals 5, and C equals 0, what's the product of A, B, and C? Question passes to Jaden. Would you like it?
Yes, 12.
That's incorrect. It's 0.
Oh.
Trayvon, what is 0.059 as a percentage?
0.059.
Question passes. Jaden, would you like it?
No.
It's 5.9%. Trayvon, what is 14 over 84 reduced to its lowest term? Question passes. Would you like to try it, Jaden?
Yes, 1/6.
Say again.
1/6.
Oh, yes, that is correct. Trayvon, two angles of a triangle are 40 and 65 degrees respectively. What's the size of the third angle?
$25.
Say again.
25 degrees.
That's incorrect.
What?
Question passes. Would you like it?
No, thank you.
It's 75 degrees. Trayvon, if 39 plus n equals 85, what's n? Question passes. Jaden, would you like to try it?
Yes, 46.
That is correct. Over to you now, Jaden. If A equals 3, B equals 4, and C equals 1, what's the product of A, B, and C?
$12.
What came first, judges? The buzzer or the answer? Sorry? Okay, so that question is accepted. Answer is accepted. That is correct. Jaden, what is 3.09 as a percentage? Question passes. Trayvon, would you like it?
No, thank you.
It's 309%. What is 16 over 80 reduced to its lowest term?
One-fifth.
That is correct. One of the two equal angles in an isosceles triangle is 40 degrees. What's the size of the third angle? Question passes. Trayvon, would you like it?
Yes, miss. 80 degrees.
That's incorrect. It's 100 degrees. Jaden, if A minus 57 equals 144, what's A?
201.
That is correct. Taking us now to face off number 2. It's in the category of science, and it is between Cameron Bryan of Supreme Prep up against Amori Murphy of Lorna Otto Prep. Cameron, we begin with you. Complete this statement with the correct word. The main organ in the human excretory system is the...
Large intestine.
That's incorrect. Amori, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's the kidney. Cameron, what's the name for the frontmost teeth in the mouth used for cutting food?
Canines.
That's incorrect. Amori, would you like to try?
Yes, please. Incisors.
That is correct. Cameron, what's the name given to the tough white coat that protects the eyeball? Question passes. Omari, want it?
No, thank you.
It's the sclera. Cameron, during which process are solid particles removed from water? Question passes to Omari. Would you
No,
like it?
thank you.
It's filtration. Cameron, by what process is pollen transferred in plants?
Cross-pollination.
That's incorrect. Omari, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Self-pollination.
That's also incorrect. We were just looking for pollination. Omari, now we're with you. Complete this statement with the correct word. The main organ in the human respiratory system is the...
Lungs.
That is correct. How many incisors do most normal adults have in their set of teeth?
2.
That's incorrect. Cameron, would you like to try?
No.
It's actually... Oh, I'm sorry. Omari, did you get a chance to answer the question?
No, miss.
Omari, what is the answer? How many incisors do most adults have in their set of teeth?
8.
8 is correct. Lorna Otto, Omari's question. What's the name given to the part of the eye that contains light-sensitive cells?
Retina.
That's right. During which process is chlorine added to water to kill bacteria?
Filtration.
A question is for Omari of Lorna Otto Prep. During which process is chlorine added to water to kill bacteria, Omari?
Filtration.
Sorry?
Filtration.
That's incorrect. Cameron, would you like to try?
Purification.
That's incorrect. It's chlorination, and I need to just remind all players that they are answering just for their specific category. It's the rule of the game. All right? Lorna Otto, Omari, name one of the main types of plant pollination.
Self-pollination.
That's incorrect. Cameron, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's insect pollination, wind pollination, water pollination. That takes us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of English language. It's between Dominic McIntosh of Supreme Prep up against Taylor Richards of Lorna Otto Prep. So, Dominic, complete the proverb. Haste makes... Question passes to you, Taylor. Want it?
No, miss.
It's waste. Dominic, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of sound. Question passes to you, Taylor. Want it?
Yes, miss. In sound.
That's incorrect. It's unsound. Dominic, change this sentence to the future tense. I was walking to the store.
I will walk to the store.
That's correct. Dominic, what's the superlative form of the word good?
Best.
That's right. Spell literature. Question passes to you, Taylor. Would you like to try?
Yes, Miss. Literature.
That is correct. Taylor, we're now over to you. Complete this proverb. It is easier said
Than done.
That's correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of perfect.
Imperfect.
That's right. Change this sentence to the future continuous tense. I went to church at Christmas.
I will go to church at Christmas.
That's incorrect. Dominic, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. I will be going to church on Christmas.
That's accepted at Christmas. I'll double check with the judge. Taylor, what is the superlative form of the word brave?
Bravest.
That's right. Spell physician.
Phycian.
That's incorrect. Dominic, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's physician. Physician. Taking us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Brandon Bryan of Supreme Prep, who is up against Gabrielle Mora of Lorna Otto Prep. Brandon, in which Jamaican parish is the Black River Safari?
St. Elizabeth.
That's correct. How long does it take the Earth to rotate on its axis?
365 days.
That's incorrect. Gabrielle, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's 24 hours or 1 day. Brandon, in Jamaica, what's the name given to the building which houses the offices of the Prime Minister and the Cabinet?
The Garden House.
That's incorrect. Gabrielle, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Jamaica House. Brandon, after his retirement, who replaced the most Honorable P.J. Patterson as Jamaica's Prime Minister?
Portia Lucretia Simpson Miller.
That is correct. Brandon, what's the capital of the Cayman Islands? Question passes to you, Gabrielle. Would you like it?
Yes, please. Georgetown.
Is correct, Gabrielle. Still with you. In which Jamaican parish is rafting on the Rio Grande?
St. Thomas.
That's incorrect. Brandon, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Portland.
Portland is correct. Gabrielle, the equator is an imaginary line located at how many degrees latitude?
0 degrees.
That's right. In Jamaica, what's the name of the official residence of the Governor General? Question passes to you, Brandon. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's King's House. Gabrielle, after his resignation, who replaced Honorable Bruce Golding as Jamaican Prime Minister?
Andrew Oldness.
That is right. Gabrielle, what's the capital of Puerto Rico? Question passes to you, Brandon. Would you like it?
Thank you, San Juan.
San Juan is correct. And that's the end of the face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Supreme Prep 14, Lorna Otto Prep right behind on 12. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.